Well, after the troubles we had last time, Andy is back. He's made a new piece of the, there it is, yes, of the other side, working now on the front. I'm going to show you the time lapse of it, and I am going to work, can you see it? Finish up, oh, you can't see it, wait. Ta-da! There it is, yes, part of the inner piece of the front. I'm gonna paint it, primer it, so I can start do another sanding around, etc, 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 etc. So well, back at it. Just we took the bitter pill, we swallowed it, regained, or we came back, and we're going to continue right now. So all I can say is enjoy this video.
I burned my finger, yes?
Oh, safety first. Wow. Well, and he just did the inside. Can you see it? Yes. So the rust has come further than we anticipated. We knew it. So the part is ready to be sanded down, and then once this plate is ready, we can install that plate and then the new shield that's laying over there. So meanwhile, I've been working on making sure this looks okay. It's black, so you cannot see, but I sanded it down, and as a reference, this is the other side. This is where the old side markers were. And I'm gonna show you, this is the now gray spare wheel cover. It's done with filler, so when it's dry I'm gonna sand it down again, and hopefully all the cracks will be gone. So moving on slowly but surely, and I'll check back with you right in a few minutes. Well, Andy is still working on the front. Just wanted to show you something, because every time I have a moment left here, I start to continue working on the electrics. And as you see here, that we thought all the electrics were perfect. Oh, yes. But this part is one of the lines connected to the radiator. So we discovered it melted underneath the mantle. So it's a good thing I decided to just replace the hardened mantles parts with the softer modern tape. So a little surprise. Can imagine what happens when this piece burns. So I just wanted to show you, and now I'm gonna continue fixing it up. Yeah, just making it the same length. Put some new clips on it, and then everything will be okay. But I just wanted to show you that this piece, this is what is the real danger. It's things you can't see but are there. So when you work on your project, be aware and check everything. Well, I just wanted to show you. Okay, well, Andy's going to want to make some noise again, so I'll put my camera down. So, well, Andy is gone. He has to go, had to go. But we made progress, yes. Last time we had a whole day and it went terribly wrong. Today we had a little bit less time, but I feel like we made more progress. So, well, I'm starting to get confident again. Maybe 2 Sundays the welding will be done. 2 half Sundays. And then at the end of this month, I think it's going to be a week later or 2 weeks later, they're gonna pick up the car and paint it. I made my decision. It's going to be Rosso Corsa with the silky black parts, just like it was original. And I decided I might do something different when it's finished. Just one of the options I had for the colors. but that will be a wrap if I decide to do it, because at this point I'm just more focused on driving before anything else. So that's for later. As you can see, Andy has almost finished the front part. It just clamped down now, so you cannot see it really good, but he can finish it next week. Well, next week I will be working on Electra, and I want this guy painted next week, so I can get the final parts of the front end together, and then when the car is going to the shop, have as much parts as possible on the car so it's not here. And also at the end of the month, I think my friend Marc is coming over, and I think we're gonna start with the interior together, but I have to think about it. And well, overall I'm very happy. Finally some progress. Well, the setback we have forgotten, and I am happy with the fact that Andy did a lot of good work today. And I have to pull it down. I just cannot get used to a camera. Wait. So, is this better? No, the cardboard is doing this. Is this better? Yes. Okay, so thank you for watching, and if you like what I'm doing here, please like, subscribe, spread the word, do whatever you want, but make sure that everybody watches my videos. I don't care if people laugh at me, because simply, yeah, well, this is fun to do, and yeah, well, let's see if we can help you guys with finding your projects. Maybe if you have some questions, ask them. Then I can answer them in the next video, for example. So, for now, I'm signing out. Thank you and goodbye.